Hello everyone, this is Algo Conqueror back with another video on bit manipulation. Today we are going to discuss the problem single number which is present on InterviewBit. The problem goes like this. We are given an array of integers and in that array every element appears twice except one. Let's take an example array. This is the array. The array contains 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. If you clearly observe, the 2's are repeating and the 3's are repeating and the 1 is not repeating. So we are given an array like this in which every element is repeating. Every element appears twice except one. So you should return that particular element which is not repeating. How do you approach this problem? In a brute force way, without using bit manipulation. Yeah, you could use a hash set. If a number is repeating, then you would know, right? So consequently, whichever the number is not repeating, that number will be your answer. But how will we solve this using bit manipulation? The trick here is the property of XOR. You guys know XOR operator. XOR operator gives us 0 if both the bits are same, and it gives 1 if they are different. So if I give you a number X and if I tell you to do an XOR operation on that X XOR X, what will it give you? Let's take X is equal to 5. You have its binary representation as 1, 0, 1. And if you do an XOR operation on this, the result will be 0 because the bits are same. These ones are same, the zeros are same, so 0, and the ones are same, so 0. The result will be 0. So how do you apply this property for this given array to find out the non-repeating element? So if I traverse the array and keep on doing the XOR operation, the 2's get cancelled because 2 XOR 2 is 0, and similarly the 3's also get cancelled because 3 XOR 3 is also 0, and we will be left with only one integer, that is this one. Let's dry run and see. And one more thing is, if you do an XOR operation on any number with 0, it will give you that number. Let's again take the number 5 and do an XOR operation on with 0. These 2 bits are different, so you'll get 1. These 2 bits are same, so you'll get 0. And these 2 bits are different, so you'll get 1. So if you do an XOR operation with 0 for any number, it will return the same number, as you clearly observe. And this is one more property. So what I'll do is, I'll take a variable called XOR and initialize it to 0, and I'll traverse the entire array. I'll traverse the entire array 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. I'll initialize this variable to 0 and I'll traverse this entire array and do an XOR operation for every element with the XOR variable. So you'll cancel every duplicate element by this process, and you'll be left with the single element which is non-repeating in that array. So this would be the approach, and I'll show you the code. So this is the code. I'm initializing a variable XOR is equal to 0 because I told you that if you do an XOR operation on any number with 0, it will return the same number. It's just initializing with initializing with 0, and I am running a for loop for this array list, and I'm doing the XOR operation for current element with the XOR variable. So whatever remains in the XOR variable finally will be our answer. So this is the solution, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.